Hello, let's learn today about the consonant diagraphs. Firstly, we should know what is a digraph. Digraph is a new sound from two different letters together. When two letters came together, they make a new sound. For example, when C with H came together, they make a sound of ch. When S and H came together, they make sound of sh. When T and H came together, make sound of th. When W and H came together, makes sound of wa, wa. When P and H came together, make the sound of f, f. We can also call them as H brothers. When S came with H, they make the sound of sh. When T came with H, they make the sound th. When C came with H, they make the sound of cha, cha. When W came with H, they make the sound of wa. When P came with H, they make the sound of f. Let's start with C with H. Cha, cha. For example, cheese, children, chocolate, child, chair, church, chest. The second digraph, S with H, makes the sound of sh, shop, shoes, shrimps. The third digraph, when T came with H, they make the sound of th, th. Thunder, thirsty, thanks, thank you. The fourth, when W came with H, they make the sound of wa, wait, wheel, what. The fifth digraph, when P came with H, they make the sound of f, f, f. For example, elephant, dolphin, phone, phonics, physics, xylophone. These are the H brothers or the consonant digraphs. C with H makes the sound cha. S with H makes the sound sh. T with H makes the sound th, th, th. W with H makes the sound wa, wa. P with H makes the sound f.